Hey, this is Leslie with your equipment guys again, and we are back to show you how to use your mixer. We have a Hobart mixer here. I'm going to show you a few things on, kind of how to change the attachments, put the bowl on, how to use it and maintain it and keep it clean and well maintained and keep it lasting as long as possible for you. We're just going to show you how to remove the bowl and replace the attachments on your mixer. So you're going to want to put it in the down position. You turn the handle till it locks up. You kind of feel it click into place, and you know that it's locked into place. And then you're going to want to turn these little knobs out. They're on both sides here, and then on this side. Once you have those unlocked, we're going to take our attachment. You lift up on it, and this knob here, you want to rotate it until the notch reaches the tab there, and then you just push down on that. And then you just lift straight up on the bowl and take that off. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how to put the bowl back on and reattach an attachment. On your bowl, you'll notice there's a piece in the back right here, and then there's two pieces on the side that you're going to line up onto your mixer here. So this piece lines up on the back, and these two on the sides here. Just want to make sure you get everything lined up. Twist it into place. Just kind of push down on it, snap it down, make sure that it's secure. And then you can twist these little locks back into place here on both sides. Okay, so when we add your attachment, you're going to put the attachment under here. Make sure you line up the posts again. Just push it all the way up, twist it, and push it down and lock it into place. So once your bowl and your attachment are secure, we're ready to pull the bowl up. So make sure you just turn it until you feel the click, and once you feel that click, it's ready to go. You can pull down on this little lever here to start it, and you push up to stop. So one of the most important things I want to mention, while your machine is in use, you don't want to change the speed while it's going. You want to turn it off and make sure that it completely stops 100% before you change the gears. You could mess up the motor or damage the gears. So you want to make sure it's 100% stop before you change the speed. At the end of the day, after you're finished using it, you want to make sure you keep everything really clean and ready for use the next day. So we're going to lower the bowl and take off the attachment. Just put it in there. I'm going to use a damp cloth, nothing special, just make sure you have a damp cloth. And make sure you keep all of these areas wiped down, especially around here. A lot of debris tends to accumulate around these knobs, and especially here where the bowl goes up and down. A lot of times food will get caught up under here and kind of mess things up and makes it rust and everything. So just make sure you wipe all this area down all around these areas. So the reason you want to make sure you keep everything clean, keep all the debris, especially out of these areas, you want your bowl to glide. It should go up and down and lock into place very easily. It just should pretty smoothly, because if you're giving it any kind of, if it's giving you resistance and it's hard for you to push and you need to use both hands, it could damage the springs. So those springs that I was talking about are right back here. So if you're feeling any resistance when you lift the bowl up or down, it will damage these springs back here. So that is how you keep your Hobart mixer well maintained and in good shape, and hopefully we can keep that lasting a long time for you. This is only the second one of our videos that we've done, so if you have any suggestions or you would like to see us show you how to maintain any particular item or piece of equipment, just let us know, give us a thumbs up, and we will make sure we do that for you. So we will see you next time.